Hey, my beautiful French Caribbean music lovers from all around the world. Welcome back to another edition of Ray Stars Reactions. Today, we are going to react to a group by the name of Zafem. And the title of the song is Le Plein. This is a new one to me. I was introduced to this group by someone else. So first, let's get into it and listen to Le Plein by Zafem. And as always, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Fon pil tan nou lot peyi, map konte jou pou nou kontre. Nap imagine jou nou pral wè ankon. Di pat fasil la nostalji, fè kem louvle m'toune zombi. Ma vi goute sel ou pou ban mwen la vi. Se pa moun mwen pa kontre, ni lot bote m'pa kwaze, men yon pa vibre m'pa konekte. Même lem ta eseye, présent sous tan koun lo ak chevauchem. Chez ou c'est femme qui gen clé pa jim. La kay se la m'brale, pa karete. Tout m'brale wè, chéri m'brale wè. La kay se la m'brale, pa karete. Parce que les ronds ma douche, ou pas le faire coquet. Les jours arrivés, c'est les mains montées pour m'aller. La caille, c'est la m'brale, pas carré. M'brale, ouais, m'brale, ouais. La caille, c'est la m'brale. Parce que les bombes les jours arrivés, c'est la m'a compté pour m'aller. On sait ça faire. Et même la vie, pas qu'à vivre pour nous, mais
Well, I used to think that my Creole was at 100%, but after listening to this lyric, I noticed that maybe I'm at 90%. Because the lyric right now, this is a beautiful lyric. I guess it's Joner Seyd and Regina Kanje. So I don't know which one is the writer who's writing these beautiful lyrics. So it sounds like he's talking about a honey. He's talking about a beautiful woman, like the lady in his life. But then you realize, oh my God, this guy's talking about his home country. I guess he's talking about Haiti. It's like, I'm coming home to you. And, Le Plein means get ready. Yes, we're going to go all the way. It's the same as, I guess, hey, you call the honey and say, hey, let's do some Netflix and chill. So I guess that's what Le Plein would be. If I'm wrong, as always, guys, please tell me. Because, again, like I said, I guess my Creole is at 90%, but it's beautiful lyrics talking about a woman. But you realize the beautiful woman is talking about that he's coming home to is his home country, which is Haiti. Beautiful. Zafem, as I said at the beginning, I do not know anything about those guys. I heard that they did perform at the Melrose Ballroom in Long Island City. But I never had a chance to see them in concert. I would love to see them in concert. If you have, again, please tell me. This is a beautiful, beautiful lyric talking about Lakai, the beautiful woman. Let's get into it. Beautiful guy.
son. Mwen pral fè ou pral fèm tou. Wap jwen avèm tou. Mwen pral fè ou pral fèm tou. Se debyen pral jwen tou. Akatan l'avyon nan dekole. Chéri, ou se zafèm. Zafèm.
Man, definitely I gotta get this one on my playlist. You guys, not only you listen to the songs, you gotta follow these artists and buy, the albums. I always do. This is a good one. This one is new to me. I don't know which record label they're on, but man, this is really good. Great writing. So yeah, I'm really interested in Safem. Again, it's Denaire and Reginald Kanché. Denaire might be the writer. Reginald Kanché has a great voice. Wonderful, great duo. And I hope one day I can see these guys in concert. And if there's any information you have about these guys, please leave it down below for us so we can follow them. Safem, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful work. Again, here you have a new convert. All right. Guys, as always, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. This is Ray Star saying, peace out.